Hello guys, welcome to the Coding Yodha. So in this tutorial series, I'm going to solve some random hacker rank problems that will be useful for your college placements. So let's start with a basic and simple question, that is pattern if else. So the task here is that you have been given with an integer n, and you have to perform some task on it. So if n is odd, you have to print weird. If n is even and it is in range, inclusive range means it is in between 2 to 5, like it should be either equal to or greater than 2 and less than equal to 5. So you should print not weird. If it is n is even and it is in inclusive range of 6 to 20, you should print weird. Same is for if n is even and greater than 20, then you should print not weird. Okay, so there is an example here. If it is 3, so it means n is odd, correct? So according to this one, we have to print weird, correct? If n is odd, then we have to print weird. So this second one, the input will be 24. So as per here, that is even, correct? N is even and it is greater than 24, greater than 20. So you should print not weird. So okay, let us start. So the input is being taken from using this one input method of Python, and then we are removing trailing spaces between from this string, and then we are converting it to integer. So let's start. First one is if n ampersand 2 is not equal to 0. It means if n is odd, then print. Let's copy and paste it only. Weird. So our first case is over, correct? Then let's copy and paste the entire thing down here, and let's put it as a comment here so that we don't have to go every time and look through it. So if n is even and in the inclusive, okay, didn't copy. These are like pictures, it didn't get copied. Okay, so that is of no use. And then second concept will be L if n is even and n is greater than equal to 2 and less than equal to 5, then print. What we have to print? Not weird. What is the problem? I think this will be like this one. Is it correct? Did I miss some? Am I missing this one? This will be this one or this one? Yeah. Okay. And third condition is if n is even and in inclusive range of 6 to 20, then print weird. L if, I'm just copying it, okay? I will show you two methods to do it. First, let's do it by this method, and it should be in between 6 to 20. Then 6, 20, and it should be printing weird. The next case is if n is even and greater than 20. Let's copy the same thing, and it should be greater than 20, right? N is greater than 20. So I will just write then should print what? It should print not weird. Okay, that is what this question asks. Let's run it, see if there is a syntax error or what. Okay, so it passed one simple test, it passed second sample test. Now submit the code and see if it passes all the sample tests. Okay, so it passed, correct? See if it is a second case, doesn't show the next cases. Okay, so this is the method one. Now instead of doing, now what were the two cases? First case is like n can be even, n can be odd, and second case is n can be even. So why to repeat these cases again and again? So what we can do is, I'm going to remove it. I'm going to comment it directly. Okay, let's come down. Then else if n ampersand 2 equal to 0. So it covers this one case, right? It covers this case. And now I will print if n, I will just copy this one. And what we are going to do, we are going to print v8. So what is happening, like I'm not going to write this like condition for n is equal to even every time. I have just written at top. Now I will write this inner condition, that is this one, every time. Elif, and I should print v8. Otherwise else is less than equal to correct, else print not v8. So what is happening? It's saying that if n is between 2 to 5, if n is less than equal to 2 and greater than, sorry, if n is greater than equal to 2 and less than equal to 5, then not v8. If n is greater than equal to 6 and less than equal to 20, then v8. Otherwise, if n is even and greater than 20, like it doesn't satisfy this condition, then directly go to this one, print not v8. Let's run this one, see if there's any syntax error. So it passes the two sample test cases given in example. Now summon this code, see if it passes all the test cases. So yeah, it passed, right? Okay, thank you guys for watching. Hope you keep on practicing, and please subscribe to my channel, and um, see you in the next videos. Thank you.